Yo, Juicy Pixel, where the hell are you two? We're in the distillery in Abakan. The distillery, you say? Check this out. So I've got my microphone on again today, but it's miles away from my mouth because you guys can hear me breathing like a sloth every time I do a video. So yeah, this place is called the distillery in Abakan, which is known for water distillation, a pop factory. There used to be a tin works here, and if you scour the hills, you will find iron mines from the Iron Age. So this place has got so much history to it. It's actually really damp at the moment. But today is your Saturday video, and today I need to address you guys with what's going to be happening with the channel going forwards. There's going to be some changes with the schedule, which will improve time with me editing. It'll also allow me to film higher in advance, because I like to film in advance. I don't like to rush a video up unless it's a Wednesday video. So this is your equivalent of a Wednesday video, what I try to do at the same day. Right, so while we're here, I'm going to get the drone up, and then I'll come back to you and I'll explain some of the changes that are going to be happening on the channel. So catch you in a moment. It is so muddy down here, you won't believe it. So I'm not going to be going up here to the distillery, the main distillery where the factories and stuff were. But yeah, back in the day they used to swim in competitions and all sorts in here. But yeah, there's a bunch of lads fishing here as well, which I've just been talking to. Anyway, let's get back to the schedule changes. You can't beat crusty mud with dog turds in it. Right, so this video is going to be quite brief because Saturday's a good day for you. A lot of you guys tune in on Saturdays, so yeah, so the schedule changes. We're going to go back to 2 videos a week. I had a really successful journey on the 3 videos a week, but what I've realised is that my Sunday videos now carry my Wednesday videos. So regardless of putting a Wednesday video up, my Sunday video, oh shit. Well, this ain't great, is it? Start again. So my Sunday videos outcompete my Wednesday videos, so there's no need to do Wednesday videos unless I need to do a midweek update video for you guys, so we're not going to do that. So we're going to remove the Wednesday videos and we're going to focus more on the weekends. So we're going to keep the Sunday video. I've took inspiration from one of my favourite channels that only do 1 video a week and they do Sundays. So I'm going to keep the Sunday because there seems to be a lot of attention there where people like chilling out with their Sunday dinners or just flicking something on and trying something new. So yeah, Sundays is going to stay. As for Fridays or Saturdays, sorry, Saturdays, because I usually do 2 weekends, I'm going to be keeping the Saturday videos, but I might move those to Wednesday. So going forward, there's going to be 2 videos a week, either on a Friday or a Saturday, and there's definitely going to be one on Sundays going forwards. If I do a midweek channel update, it's still going to be on the Wednesday, but I'm not going to focus on making sure that there's a Wednesday video made. So there's going to be 2. But if there happens to be a 3rd video in the week, then it's just a bonus for you guys, which is awesome. I don't know if you can see it, but this water has a beautiful blue in it. Beautiful little blue. I'm going to have to pull it up because I'm filming in M-Log, so you won't see all the colours. But if I boost it up, it's beautiful. So yeah, there's a group of lads looking for trout here. I come down here a few times fishing for trout, but I've been quite unsuccessful, though I do have friends who come down here and they're really successful fishing. Yeah, this guy's lure fishing by here. Right, so now that is out of the way, let's talk about what's going to be going forwards from next week onwards. Right, so we are back. People keep walking past and I don't want to go in film. On the film. So that's explained. So there's going to be 2 videos a week. Wednesday is always going to be a debatable video, whether it's going to be up or not. I'm focusing more on my Sunday videos, though the Saturday video might become a Friday video. So that's the plan going forward. I'm going to do an A/B test. So I'm going to test the video on a Friday and I'm going to test the video on a Saturday, whichever one works out best. That's going to be the formula going forwards in the next 2 weeks. Right. In 3 days' time, me and my best mate Nick, we're off to Athens. We're going for 5 nights. There's 10 videos planned. We're going to go to the Acropolis. We're going to go and see the the amazing architecture out there. We're going to test out the cultural foods. We're going to test out quite a few of the beers and see what rocks and rolls there. And then in March, mid-March, me and my partner Ruth, we are going to go to Tromsø, which is right up north of Norway. We're going to be inside the Arctic Circle, which is going to be incredible. I want to jump in the river there, the ocean there actually. I want to jump in the Arctic Ocean, so let's see what happens. So I've been training myself to do that by doing cold dunks. So let's see what happens once we get there. The following month, right at the end of the month, April, it's my mate Cam's 40th birthday. Beer Guide Worldwide. You've seen him on the channel numerous times, like literally 2 weeks ago. So, me and 7 other friends of Cam's, not mine, because I'm being invited on his birthday, so I don't know the other 6 people, but we're doing a tour of South Germany through Bavaria. So we're flying into Munich from Bristol on the 26th. But we're going to travel all across South Bavaria. We're going to, go through like the, the forests. We're going to see some castles. We're going to go and check out the world's oldest brewery. And then we're going to travel back up to Cologne. And then I'm going to be flying back to Manchester for £13. It's cheap as hell. So it's really exciting stuff on the agenda. Going back to Tromsø in the north of Norway in the Arctic Circle, we've got the most northern brewery in the world. We've got the most northern 7-Eleven in the world. We've got the most northern Hard Rock Cafe in the world. We've got the most northern McDonald's in the world. If you're into McDonald's kink, maybe I'll pop in. But in that McDonald's, they give you a little postcard to take with you to show that you've been in the most northern McDonald's, which, is a bit of a gimmick really, but might as well grab one when I'm there, right? So Tromsø, yeah, it's like the most northern anything really, and it's going to be amazing. There's going to be polar bears in the wild, and we're so high up, we're almost guaranteed the northern lights every night. So let's make this dream come true, everyone, and hope this comes true. So I think I've explained everything. Oh yeah, one more thing, one crucial thing. Everyone who follows Juicy Pixel on Facebook will see the new videos a day before they're released on YouTube. So I'm going to be uploading the feature-length videos on Facebook going forwards. So if you follow me on Facebook, you're in for a treat. So your Wednesday videos, if there is a Wednesday, you'll get them on the Tuesday. If there's a Friday video, you'll get them on the Thursday. If there's a Saturday video, you'll get them on the Friday. If there's a Sunday video, you will get them on the Saturday. I hope that makes sense. So everything is being pulled forward for you guys who follow me on Facebook. Let's see what happens there. I want to be testing out full-length videos on Facebook and see what happens, because that's the way that you please the algorithm. No doubt a lot of people who see this clip now, we're going to be uploading on Facebook, but yeah, let's see what happens going forwards. There's a potential Albanian trip in May, potentially, and there might be another trip, but I'm not gonna talk about shit I'm not gonna do. So let's just keep to the plan. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen going forwards. Hope you've been enjoying the content so far, and let's re-elaborate for the 20th million time. There's gonna be 2 videos a week. Wednesday video might be a bonus video. If something happens in my life and I want to share that with you, that'll go up on the Wednesday. But we're sticking to the 2. There's going to be a video on the Friday or the Saturday, and there's going to be one on the Sunday as well. So we're going to trial test Saturday and Sunday. Trial test Friday and Saturdays of videos. I think I've touched on everything. So this is your Saturday video. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if there's going to be a video because there's a big reset happening on the channel. But yeah, I want to say thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel over the new year as well. We've just passed 11,000 subscribers. I'm probably not going to celebrate that until we get to about 11,050. We're at 11,018 at the moment, which is, it goes up and down, is weird. YouTube stats are weird. But yeah, I want to say thanks for watching. Let's finish out on a little drone shot by here. And I'll be catching you guys probably in a week from today. But I might do a cheeky little Wednesday video for you guys while I'm in Athens on Wednesday. So let's see what happens. Let's restructure the channel a bit. Let's reward you guys for subscribing over on Facebook. Let's give you a vlog. 2 vlogs a week, a day early. And yeah, let's kickstart this new schedule. Right, I think I covered everything. I hope I didn't talk too much shit. And a peace of love, Juicy Pixel out. Big up the Abakan Massive.